Hello, I'm Damian Trofimowicz, and it's my absolute pleasure to be bringing to the market 1879 Rome Ave. This home is located in a historic Highland Park neighborhood, and it features hard-to-find 3-car garage, 5 bedrooms, and 2 full bathrooms, and over 1,800 square feet of living space. There's also room to add more square footage in an unfinished lower level, so let's step inside and have a look.